So it's the second day in Ooty, and yesterday I decided to take some rest as it was very cold and raining outside. So today it's kind of cloudy day, but yeah, it's kind of good weather to go out. So I decided to go towards lake, and there is also one Karnataka Horticulture Garden. So I'll be visiting that as well. So I'm staying at this property. I don't know if you are able to see that or not. And this is the dynamics. Sky S2 Look at that, the blue sky, white clouds and grey clouds. So this property is like 100 meters inside the main road. So there is a old Paikara road, and so this is the main road. We have to walk towards it to go through. The one thing about here is that there are, bisons everywhere. So yesterday there was a bison around my stay as well. So yeah, I mean, they look scary at most. Isn't weather look amazing? I mean, there's no sun, but the sky has to, provide the vivid dynamics. So yeah, I think I'll see you after some times, maybe in the bazaar or something where I get some breakfast. See you. So for the breakfast, I got uttapam, and after that, I'm just sitting at this place because I got a buttermilk as well, and yeah, I was kind of happy with that because you find buttermilk very less in these areas. So look at this point where I'm sitting. So yeah, wind is blowing. So I'll just keep walking, and let's see at what time I'll reach the lake. So I'm like 800 meters from the lake, and I am passing through a huge graveyard. If you can see, there are cross signs everywhere. Yeah, let me get a bit closer. I'll get a better view of that. So yeah, horses are running over there. My hair are like not supporting me today because I washed it today, and the wind is like kind of hell of a blowing. I wanted to capture that white house you can see in between the trees, but I couldn't get a better angle of it. Let's see. I mean, yeah, see you later. So there were kind of two ways to go around towards the lake. So there was a way over there. You can see the lights going over there, and there is another way which and look at that. dynamics. So not every time just the clouds are beautiful. So sometimes sky is also beautiful. So let's keep walking. You just enjoy the dynamics in my background. So eventually, they have this kind of fencing around the lake, so there will be no trespassers. But look at this. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I wish I could get a closer view, but let's keep walking towards our goal. So I'll be going through that Karnataka Horticulture Garden first, and then I'll walk around through the lake. So yeah, I think there is something over here. It's called Boat House Ooty. So I think this is the one of the boating points, because I heard there is a Tamil Nadu boat house as well. So that is on the other side of the lake. Let's get a bit closer and take a look. Oh, so there is a dock over there, the green set, and I think from there the boating starts. It's kind of empty. I hope that it remains same for the other places as well, because it's non-holiday day. So let's see. See you. So eventually, I took the ticket for the camera because out from outside, I thought it is insanely beautiful. So I wouldn't want to miss on that. So that's why I took a camera ticket and I got my camera inside. So I'll show you. This is the average side of the garden. There is an entry where I get into, and there is this a gateway which take us to. So this is just the fraction of the garden. The garden is like situated around like maybe like 10 times of what we are seeing currently. So I am planning to shoot a video from here. My tripod setup is ready, and the weather is amazing. So alright guys, see you later. So I captured some videos and photos. Now I'm just sitting at the bench in this horticulture garden. So take a look. It's it's beautiful. I mean, everywhere you can see the greenery. Just enjoying my time up here, and people are just sitting, and kids are rolling over in the grass. So this is not like a ordinary garden, so where you go and just see some flowers and all. This is made with a purpose. So it has many things to offer. It has trees, it has grass, it has flowers, it has architecture, and it has the grass flow. So it has everything. I mean, it has something which we can call a perfect garden. So yeah. So the people in India do not have a civic sense. So I was trying to capture some cool videos and photos, but every time people just stand in my place whenever I'm going to set the timer on tripod. Oh man, I mean like in the end, I was kind of pissed and I went away from that place. So yeah, it works that way. I mean, I'm not satisfied with whatever photo I was trying to get, but still I decided to go away from that place because I already spent like 40 to 50 minutes over there. There's a bridge over there, so I'll go there and take some cool shots. So I'm inside this horticulture garden, and there is a flower showcase inside. Also, I'll walk you through, every each and every flowers in the garden. I don't even know the names of these flowers. Let's take a look. It's a huge garden built with, I think it's a lighthouse. So let's continue our journey. These are some small flowers. Some pink flowers, some red flowers. I think they're of the same category, but this looks different. Oh man, it's like a flower bed. So for most of the places, the flowers are similar. They have kept different varieties in between. It might be boring a bit because I just take it for a bit faster. Look at this. You can hear the people in the background. You should know them. This one's also good. This are good as well. I have to take another round to click pictures of all of this. There's a beautiful white flower. This one is good. I don't know how these guys are maintaining this many flowers. Uh, it's amazing, by the way. It's like maintaining millions and millions of flowers. So yeah, I would say it's amazing, and I'll keep it short for now. So I am in the other part of the horticulture garden. I'll show you how it looks, and obviously the famous bridge here. It has some pools, and you can see in the orange that is the famous bridge over here. There's a road which is just after the bridge, which passes by. You can see the bus is going over there. So yeah, I'll take some photos and video over there, and then I'll wrap my day for this horticulture garden. See you. So I have completed my roundabout for horticulture garden. Now I'm trying to find some food. So basically, I'll be walking towards the lake shores, and let's see if I can find something out there. So yeah, wind is blowing. Like maybe you can hear the wind noise as well. Okay then, see you later. Hopefully, if I'll find something to record. Otherwise, I'll just see you off for today. See you later. So there's a sigh of relief as I can spot some of the stores beside the lake. So I'm just walking beside the lake, and there are some stores, but most of them are closed. I hope I can find some food at least. I can see some yellow color food. Oh, maybe. I hope one or two shops are open and I can get something to eat. Otherwise, I'll just head back to the stay and order something over Zomato or Swiggy. Let's see what happens. This is the lake. See ya.